Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to make your own Cornell Note template in Google Docs. So my Google Doc app is on the bottom right, the little blue paper. You're going to find that on your iPad and open it. Tap the little plus button on the bottom right, the little circle plus button, and then tap New Document. And title it Cornell Notes. You might want to specifically title it like what section. So if you're doing 1.1 Cornell Notes, you would put 1.1 Cornell Notes, but I'm just going to type Cornell Notes for this. Okay, and then when you get here, you're going to tap the plus button on the top right, and then tap Table. So for this, you're going to add 2 columns, so down to 2, and then you need 3 rows to make Cornell Notes. So it's 2 columns, 3 rows, and then insert table. So it's going to insert it tiny. We need to rearrange it to make it fit correctly. So when these little gray bars on top, when you tap on it and it turns dark gray, that's when you can change it around and resize it. So I'm going to resize this column to be a little bit more narrow, and then tap on this bottom one and drag it down a little bit like that, maybe about an inch or 2. And tap the middle one. This is the main body of your Cornell Notes, so you want to make that pretty big. This is where all your notes are gonna go. So when you tap on the bars on the side and it turns dark gray, those little black lines that appear, that's where you tap and drag. So now we're gonna tap the top row here to make that a little bit bigger. That's where the title and your name goes. So see these little 3 lines there? You're gonna tap and drag that to be about the same size as the bottom part, about an inch or 2. And that looks pretty much like Cornell Notes. So the top one, let's make this a little bit, actually that's fine. So you type your name here, 1.1 Cornell Notes or 2.1 Cornell Notes, whatever section you're working on. Or if it's not out of the textbooks, if you're just taking notes on cells, you would type cell Cornell Notes. So this is where your title will go. And then your name and period here. I'm not making it capital because I'm doing it in a rush, but you would make it capital. And then your main idea goes here. Oops. And then your notes go here. And then here, your summary will go here. Okay?